Good morning. Today we're going to continue on in our look at China. Yesterday we looked at the Gong Type 1 rifle, and today what we're going to do is look at a short rifle, and it's the Chinese number 24 bolt action rifle. It's called the 24 because it was actually um, it started production in 24 of their calendar, which was 1935, our calendar, because remember you got to add the 11 years on to come up with the actual year. But that's where the 24 came from. It's based on the Germans' standard model. It's all one word, which was a type of Mauser that they were putting out, and it was strictly designed for export, and they were exporting them out. And apparently, China decided that they wanted to make some on their own. So it's got a butt plate. It's got straight pull or straight handle. The thing. It's got a 5 round magazine. It's got the Mauser style bolt release right here, a bolt block right here. You can also see if I pull it out, you can see that's the extractor. Not the extractor, the ejector. So when the bolt comes back, it hits on there and pushes the cartridge out. It's missing its front sight and it's missing its rear sight. I did a video, I took them off because the rear sight was messed up and I had to take the front sight off to be able to slide it because it was too big to go over the top of it. So when we do the project, finish the project, then I will get those sights for it. It's got the one handguard down further down, I guess, rather than up closer. Um, got a seal on it, like the Chinese guns do, which is why I got this in the first place. And that seal is for it's from communist China because it's got the star on it, and it's from Guizhou province, Guizhou. I'm not sure. I'm sure I murdered it, but that's the province that it's from. And I looked it up, and it's down in southwestern um, China, sort of near Laos and Vietnam, down around that area down there. All right, they made them from 1935 till about 1950. They were used in uh, the Korean War. They were used in the Vietnam War. They were supplied to the Viet Cong and to the North Koreans, and they were used by security forces, the Chinese security forces. And I've done the barrel already, and this is not the real bolt. This is the bolt out of a Turkish Mauser, which goes to show you can interchange them fairly well as long as the headspace is good, which we'll talk about headspace eventually here. But anyway, so this is the rifle here, and like I said, I like collecting the Chinese because they got these stamps on them that are designations of the unit that they belong to and what they do. But this is a project that is coming up. Actually, it's third in line right now for a project, so but we'll get to it, and it's a good one. All right, well, thank you.